Do you have a task that you keep pushing to later? Something important that you really don't want to do? So you do small, easy things instead, and the big task just sits there, waiting. You feel a little bad all day because of it. This happens to almost everyone. Today, I want to share with you a small but powerful book that gives us a simple fix for this problem. The book has a funny name. It is called Eat That Frog. Welcome to the English Flow Podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow Podcast right now so you can learn easy English every day. Now, let us open this helpful book together and learn how to stop waiting and get things done. First, you may ask, why is the book called Eat That Frog? Do not worry, you do not have to eat a real frog. It comes from a fun idea. If the first thing you do each morning is eat a live frog, then nothing worse can happen for the rest of the day. So in this book, the frog is just a name for your biggest and most important task. It is the hard job you do not want to do. And the lesson is simple. Do that hard task first, in the morning, and the rest of your day feels easy. Let us understand the main idea more. The writer, Brian Tracy, says we all have one task that matters most, but it is often the hardest one. So we run away from it. We check our phone. We do small, easy jobs. We say, I'll do the big one later. But later never comes. The book says, stop running. Look at your frog and eat it first. Do your most important task before anything else. When the hardest thing is done early, you feel free, proud, and strong all day. Here is a helpful rule from the book. If you have 2 frogs, eat the ugly one first. This means if you have 2 hard tasks, do the harder one first. Most people do the opposite. They do the easy one first and leave the hard one for later. But the hard one keeps growing in your mind like a dark cloud. So be brave. Start with the hardest, most important task. After that, everything else feels light and simple. Now let us talk about delay, which is the big enemy. The book calls it procrastination. This is a long English word, but it just means putting things off again and again. We all do it. But delay hurts us. It makes the task feel bigger and scarier in our mind. It steals our time and our peace. The cure is simple, but not always easy. Just start. The hardest part is always the first minute. Once you begin, the fear gets smaller and you keep going. The book gives us a wonderful tip to beat delay. Plan your day the night before. Before you sleep, take a piece of paper. Write down what you must do tomorrow. Then choose your frog the most important task. When you wake up, you do not waste time wondering what to do. You already know. You just sit down and eat your frog. A few minutes of planning at night saves you many hours the next day. Here is another simple idea. Do one thing at a time. Many people try to do many tasks at once. They jump from one thing to another and finish nothing. The book says this is slow and tiring. Instead, choose one task. Give it your full attention. Finish it completely. Then move to the next. When you do one thing at a time, you work faster and you make fewer mistakes. One finished task feels much better than 5 half-finished ones. The book also teaches us to break big tasks into small steps. Sometimes your frog feels too big. It scares you, so you do not start. The answer is simple. Cut the big task into small, easy pieces. Do not think about the whole thing. Just do the first small step, then the next. Step by step, the big task gets done. A big mountain is climbed one small step at a time. So make the first step so small that it feels easy. Let us also remember why this matters. When you finish your most important task early, something beautiful happens. You feel happy and proud. You have energy. You trust yourself more. This good feeling pushes you to do even more. But when you wait and delay, you feel tired and heavy all day. So eating your frog is not just about work. It is about feeling good about yourself and your life. The book reminds us of one more thing. Doing is better than perfect. Many people wait because they want everything to be perfect. But perfect never comes, so they never start. The book says it is better to start now and do your best than to wait forever for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is a trap. The best moment to begin is always now. So stop waiting and just start now. Let me show you my favorite secret. Make English your morning frog. For many learners, studying English is the task they keep pushing to later. So later never comes, and the dream slips away. Here is the fix. Make English the first thing you do. Before your phone, before the TV, do a short English lesson, like this podcast. Just 10 minutes, first thing. When you eat your English frog early, the habit becomes strong, and your English grows fast. You will feel proud every single morning. We have learned so many helpful ideas from Eat That Frog today. We learned that your frog is your biggest, most important task. We learned to do it first thing in the morning, before anything else. We learned to eat the ugliest frog first, when we have two. We learned to beat delay by just starting, and to plan our day the night before. We learn to do one thing at a time, break big tasks into small steps, and choose doing over waiting for perfect. What will we talk about next time? Next time, we will explore the book Mindset by Carol Dweck and learn how one little word, yet, can change your whole life, all in easy English. You do not want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Follow us on all our social media pages for more daily English practice. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Keep starting, keep finishing, and keep speaking English.